we're back to the video, and we're gonna be unboxing these Bakugan.
And here Mason got like 4.
Yeah, I got 4. I got 5. I just unboxed that one.
And I got 1, and this one's mine.
Yeah. So, and we're also gonna be unboxing this very rare Draganoid Diamond X Tretorous. We're doing this one last because it's the rarest. And I'm going to pause the video to get this all set up. Right. Okay.
So first I'm going to open mine and your Mason's is yes.
Yeah. Mommy help?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here's the cards. Yeah. We need scissors. I'm gonna go get some scissors. Or this. Okay, Mia, let me go get some scissors. Here. Got some scissors.
Boom, magic. Magic.
This one's not cutting. Okay. You could show them that.
Boom, magic.
So show them what it could do. You know what it could do. I showed you.
And look what it can do. We can take off the hat. Boom. Boom. We Mason took off the hat and now.
Pause the video.
So now, can I kill this into a ball?
Yeah, you know how. Just take out the head. Want it ball shape. This head is hard to take off because it's brand new. Okay.
Okay.
You know how to close it.
And the back one's easy.
Yeah, like this.
Magic.
This is not magic. You need some more scissor magic. Okay, show them the cards. See this Cubo card.
Yuck.
This is what
Can
the
I
Cubo
put
card
on the
looks like.
hats?
Yeah. And here's the little gate card. Oh, I don't have this one. And, 2 magic shield. 1 magic shield, it's plus 300 P power, and for fusion, plus 400 P power too. And plus 800 P power for fusion. Yeah. Mia. Just something. Okay, time for mine. Okay, so now we're going to be unboxing mine, right, Mia? Let me just see something. Okay. We're going to be mixing around these. Close my eyes. And see which one we're going to unbox first. Oh, the green one. So this is what the packaging looks like. Has the Cubo face on it. And here's the back with the Cubo and the character card. And all of the other ones you can collect. So let's get unboxed.
Whoa.
More scissors. Yeah, let's do this one first. This one's hard. Yep. Okay, we're gonna pause the video until it's open. Okay, so we got the guy open. Now let's take a look at the cards first. This one's pretty hard. Okay. So the cards are minus 100 B power shield, plus 500, plus 50 B power, plus 1 damage shield. Got a bunch of Bakugan here. Okay. Here's the gate card. I already have this gate card. You see it? Here's the Cubo card. He's 500 B power, 5 attack, plus 300 B power, and shadow dead, I think. If you land on a fist. I don't know why that's like that. Now let's take a look at this guy. You know, stop it. Oh, and the hat comes out easily. You could just boop, ride it out. And you can move his arms like the other Cubos. And this is what he looks like in close form. I kind of like it. Let's roll him out. Look his eye. Look at that. Look at that eye. So let's put his hat back on and give him to my sister.
Can we take off these hats?
Yeah.
Then put this hat.
Okay. Now we're gonna be unboxing. Which one do you want me to unbox?
The blue.
The blue?
I mean the yellow. Okay, the pony hat.
We found a jackpot at Target. This is what the front looks like with the Cubo face again. I kind of opened it already. Whoa, I kind of like that art. Here's the Cubo card. Now I know it's going to be double fire fist because all of these are double. And here more on the back. And let's put them on. Okay. Okay, pause the video until it's open again. Here is the gate card. Plus 600 beat power for Pyrus. Plus 100 for Aquos. Plus 100 for Ventus. Plus 300 for Eos. Plus 200 for Arliss. And plus 300 for Darkness. Here's the Cubo card. Cubo again. Plus 300. This is 300 beat power. 6 damage. Fire fist. I knew it. If you land on a heal, you get plus 500 beat power and minus 5 damage. So on the character card art here, it has Dan and Leah on it, if I'm correct. They look pretty cool. And for fusion, plus 8 damage. And plus 250 beat power and plus 5 damage. So let's show them the art on this guy. My sister's just playing with all of them because she loves Cubo. Mia, do you like Cubo? Yeah, that's your favorite Bakugan, right? She's too distracted. So here is Cubo. He always has like a slant eye for some reason in all these, the designs. So here's his crown. You could take that off. And I really like the design on this because like there's like really metallic silver, really metallic gold. And you could also close him up, and this is what he looks like closed up.
Is there a skirt on this Bakugan?
No.
You
That's what
think
he looks
it
like.
has a skirt.
And let's pop him open.
Can I pretend the bottom is a skirt?
Oh, he has a cape too. That's cool.
You could mix and match the hats. Look.
Yeah, you can mix and match the hats, like my dad said. Where's the crown? Give me the crown. Aren't there 4 hats? Where's the other hat? Where's the other hat? There it is. Okay. Pop his hat back on. And now we're gonna be unboxing it.
Can I pretend there's a skirt
Bakugan.
on this one?
Yeah.
Because it looks like it has
This Bakugan.
Let me see.
Cubo again. So many Cubos. Face art.
I want to put
Cubo.
the crown on this one.
I have like, now that I have like 1, 2, I have 6 Cubos. I have an Aquos Cubo now, because it's blue. Blue is the best. Here's the character card art. Double Fire Fist again. And the only one I'm missing in my collection is the Cubo, the Pyrus Cubo. And yeah, so let's get unboxing.
Put in the crown on this one?
1 second. Pause the video until it's done. So here are the cores, Baku cores, plus 5 damage, plus 3 damage for fusion, plus 4 damage. Here are the cards. Cubo, plus that's 400 beat power and 4 damage. Fire fist. If you land on Magic Shield, you get plus 4 damage. And here is the gift card. Plus 100 for Pyrus, plus 400 for Aquos, plus 200 for Ventus, plus 0 for Halos, plus 300 for Arliss, plus 500 for Darkness. And here's the Bakugan. You could put his hat right on top, like that. I like this one the best. Now let's close it. Ears, body. This is what he looks like in the clothes form, as you can see. And you could plop his hat on while you close him, and let's roll him out. Whoa, that is awesome. Really cool. Mia, do you like my Cubos?
Mhm.
Which one do you like most?
This one, mine.
You're mine? You're mine. That one?
Even the crown on it.
This is the queen. Here are all the Cubos that I earned. We found this at a small Target, and now, dun 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 dun. Okay, we're gonna.
What is it?
This is a Diamond Draganoid X Tretorous that we found at just a little Target with barely any Bakugan. And this was the last one we checked. And we even asked someone. So Mia, let's both unbox this together. This is rare. Come on. Come on. Come on, sit down. She's too busy with the Cubos. Mia. So let's look at the box art. We have a Diamond Draganoid X Tretorous up here. The actual Bakugan. Fire Fist. And here's the back. For some reason, always the back of the Bakugan, it's always different design. Like the tail is not clear. And that's for every diamond and regular Bakugan. And here are the two cards. And here are the other Bakugan. I wanted a Diamond Drago for a long time, and I finally got it. So, yeah, you ready? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, I'm taking you away. Okay, come on, look. Come on. Come on, don't be shy. Ready, set.
Whoa.
Why are you saying whoa? Not even real Bakugan yet.
Whoa.
This always happens to me with diamonds. Yeah. We're gonna open this up because we don't need to pause this because these are actually easy. So let's look at the part art on it. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Mia. My little sister got hit. Face. Let's open this right up. So first let's open. This is the first time I'm ever looking at this card, the Pyrus and Darkest, but I have other ones. Draganoid X Tretorous, 300 PPR, 4 damage, 3 energy to fuse. And Draganoid X Tretorous, 1000 PPR and 5 damage. For some reason it didn't come with the Diamond Evo, and I watched YouTube videos about this, and it still didn't come with the Diamond Evo. So here's the gate card. Come closer, cameraman. Like Dad. So it says plus 500 for Pyrus, plus 200 for Aquos, plus 0 for Ventus, plus 400 for Eos, plus 100 for Auras, plus 300 for Darkest. And here is the diamond.
Dun dun dun.
These are all your big skirts.
Okay, we do have to pause this because I do not want to break this. So we got the strip off, and let's open it. What the?
What the?
So here is the ultimate, the rarest diamond, I think I know, because it's a Diamond Drago, but fused. Here is the design on him.
Come back.
And let's,
Come back here. Come
the
back.
tail is so metallic-y,
Come back here.
as you can see. And now let's close him up.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him.
So this is what he looks like closed up. He looks epic.
Come on. Come on.
Epic.
Back here.
His arm is kind of moving
Come
up.
on. Back.
So let's.
I
Oh!
got him.
Oh! He opened. Okay. Wait, Mia. Mia, wait. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Go.
So that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
I'm here.
And see you all next time. Bye.
I'm here.